How to fix too many friend requests on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to start by tap and hold on your Snapchat and go for its apps info. Once you have entered here, you have to click on the storage and cache and simply clear its cache and also clear its storage. Once you are done, you have to uninstall and reinstall your Snapchat again. Once you are done with that, you have to now open your Snapchat. And the last way to get rid of unwanted friends is simply going on your profile and click on this My Friends. Tap and hold on your friend that you want to unfriend and go for this View Friendship. Now click on these three dots on the top right and click on this Manage Friendship. Go for this Remove Friend and remove again. So that's how basically you can fix too many friend requests on Snapchat.